My name is Trupti Kiran Dhole and I am from Bhusawan. I am currently studying in SHGB College in Bhusawan. It is a district of Jalgaon and state of Maharashtra. And today's topic is a recursion in Java. What is Java? Java is platform independent or object oriented language and it is easy to learn. And there are many types, there are many standards are available in Java. And today topic is recursion. Recursion is very important topic in companies and because the recursion in Java is a process in which the method calls itself condition continuously, and a method in Java that calls itself is called as a recursive method. And recursive method is very important in Java because it makes a code compact but complex to understand. And recursion is the techniques of making a function call itself. These techniques are used in provide a way to break complicated problems, equations, and problem solving down into a simple problem in which. And this recursion is easier to solve it, and recursion may be to a bit difficult to understand because the best way to figure out how is works into experiment with it, and adding two numbers together is easy to do, but adding a range of numbers is more complicated because in the Java. And there are many examples available in Java. For example, recursion is used to add a range of number together by breaking it down into the simple task of adding two numbers halting. And halting condition, there are many halting conditions, just as a loops can run into the problem of infinite looping. And recursive function that works if series same can run into the same problem of infinite recursion. And infinite recursion is when the exactly same as the infinite loop, and it is the function never the stop calling itself. Every recursive function should have a halting conditions, and which is the condition where the function stops calling itself. In the previous example, the halting condition is when the parameter k becomes 0, and it is helpful to see a variety of a different example of a recursive to better the understand the concept. And in the example, the function is adds a range of numbers between start and end, and the halting condition for recursion can be equally well applied to computer algorithm. Some computer are used recursion, and related example include adding a list of numbers, computing the Fibonacci series and Fibonacci sequence, computing a factorial, and Sudoku. Sudoku is very important, very basic code are example of recursion. Types of recursion and direct recursion. This is typified by the factorial implementation where the method call itself. And mutual recursion, these happen where one method, say method A, calls another method B, which then calls method multi recursion. A multi recursive calls are made in the method. Recursion adds clarity and sometimes reduces the time needed to write and debug the code, but doesn't necessarily reduce space required parameters or speed of execution, and reduce time complexity. Perform better in a solving problem. And based on the tree structures, the recursion means a recursion process comes into existence, and whenever any function calls some copy of itself, and when it want to work on a smaller problem. Thus, any function that performs a calling of itself is known as a recursive process and recursive function. Also, the calling of such functions is known as a recursive calls, and Java recursion is the process in which a function calls itself directly or indirectly is called as a recursion, and corresponding function is called as a recursive function. And recursive function is very important in Java because the algorithm certain problems can be solved quick and easily. A few Java recursion example are towers of Hanoi to QH in order, pre-order, post-order, and 3 have travels DFS of graph. The memory is exhausted by this function on the stack and it will cause a stack overflow error. This is the concept of recursion and how is the memory allocated to different functions calls in recursion. When any function is called from main, the memory is allocated to it on the stack, a recursive function. Recursive function calls itself, the memory for the called function is allocated on the top of memory allocated to the calling function, and a different copy of local variables is created for each function call. When the base case is reached, the function returns its value to the function by whom it is called and memory is delocated and process continuously. And this is the concept of recursion, and recursion is very important in Java because the but now is not working. Recursion is not working in Java because it is difficult to understand, and this is the recursion topics. Thank you so much.